Speak with purpose. The way you communicate instantly tells people whether you're confident, composed, and capable of taking the lead. And here's the fascinating thing. There is a small adjustment you can make with just two simple words that can completely change the way a woman experiences your presence. It almost sounds too simple, doesn't it? Stay with me, because today I'm going to break down how this tiny change can have a surprisingly strong effect on attraction. The impact can be powerful, but only when you deliver it with calmness, clarity, and certainty. And I'm not simply going to talk about the concept. I'll show you exactly how to bring it into normal, everyday conversations so it sounds natural instead of rehearsed. Before we get into it, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It takes just a second, but it helps this video reach more men who are looking to improve themselves. Deal? Perfect. Let's get into it. This is exactly where many men make a mistake. When a woman asks what they want, they hesitate, overthink, or immediately try to make themselves as accommodating as possible. You've probably caught yourself saying things like, "I'm good with anything," or "I don't really mind, you decide." You may think you're being easygoing or considerate, but that's not always how it sounds. Instead, it can come across as hesitation and a lack of direction. And uncertainty is one of the quickest ways to weaken attraction. Here's the simple change. Two words that immediately alter the message you're communicating. I want. That's it. Simple? Absolutely, but surprisingly powerful. When you say I want, you're communicating preference, confidence, direction, and decisiveness. You're not throwing random options at her and waiting for her to take control of the situation. You're expressing what you actually desire. You're taking initiative, and that kind of clarity can be attractive. Let's make this real. Imagine you're asking a woman out. A lot of men might say something uncertain like, "Maybe we could hang out sometime if you're free." There's nothing necessarily wrong with the sentence, but it sounds hesitant and forgettable. Now compare that with, "I want to take you out Friday night." Feel the difference? You're not demanding anything from her. You're simply making your intention clear. You're stepping forward instead of hiding behind vague language. That kind of certainty gets noticed. Here's another example. Imagine you're getting to know someone and the conversation is becoming repetitive. Instead of staying trapped in endless small talk, you can simply say, "I want to get to know you better. Let's grab coffee this week." Clear, honest, direct. You're showing interest without pretending you don't care. And if you're already dating, this becomes even more useful. Instead of automatically saying, "I don't care," or "whatever you want," try saying, "I want to spend the weekend together. Let's plan something fun." Now you're communicating interest, intention, and initiative at the same time. But there's one important detail you need to understand. Confidence is not the same thing as arrogance. The words matter, but your delivery matters just as much. If she can't follow your plan or has another idea, you don't become defensive, pushy, or controlling. You stay flexible. For example, "No problem, how about Saturday instead?" That's confident without being rigid, strong but still respectful. And that balance is important because confidence should never require you to ignore someone else's preferences. Here's something many completely overlook. Saying "I want" doesn't only make it easier for you to express yourself, it can also make it easier for the other person to tell you what she wants. And that's where genuine connection begins. When two people feel comfortable being honest and direct about their preferences, communication becomes much easier. There's less guessing, less unnecessary uncertainty, and more room for authentic interaction. But remember, your tone is everything. If you say "I want" in an aggressive or demanding way, the entire message changes. Instead, say it calmly. Say it naturally. Say it with certainty. That's when the words actually carry the message you're communicating. So here's your challenge for the next 7 days. Use the phrase "I want" at least 5 times every day. And don't limit the practice to conversations with women. Use it with your friends. Use it with your coworkers. Use it when you're making plans. Even use it when you're ordering food. The goal is to become more comfortable acknowledging your own preferences instead of constantly pushing them aside. Over time, you'll begin noticing a change in the way you communicate. You'll become clearer, you'll hesitate less, you'll express your preferences more naturally, and people may respond to you with more respect.